Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders within the foreign exchange market. So if that's something that you're looking for, you're definitely in the right place. Now, welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys for continuing to show up. We're continuing to break records and have record numbers of shares and just likes. And I'm just super excited that people are being drawn towards the channel, and hopefully it's translating to results. So if you're new here, my name is Cha. Welcome to my channel. I've been trading Forex for about 4 years now. And I really just enjoy sharing the information that I know to help other people if this is something that they want to do, whether as a side stream of income or something that can replace your full-time income, because it definitely is possible with practice. So I really just like to post and try to simplify this because if you haven't had a background learning financial literacy, it can be a little bit intimidating. But my job is just to break that barrier and make it easier for you to understand. So if you like this video and you like the way that I teach, I do recommend that you check out some of the links I have below where you can learn how to connect with me on Instagram, Tradingview, or even if you want to register for personal mentorship so I can help you reach your personal goals. But today we're on Tradingview, and I'm going to be showing you guys a quick strategy that you can use to help you find your entry and exit points. Now, this strategy only consists of two indicators, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first, you want to go to tradingview.com, and then you want to find whichever chart you're going to be trading on. Today, I'm looking at Euro USD on the hour time frame, but this strategy will work on multiple time frames. So first thing you want to do is click on the indicators tab, and you want to search for moving average exponential, or if you just type in EMA, moving average exponential will come up. And you want to click on this twice, and two lines will appear on your chart like this. So the first thing you want to do is go into the settings of the first EMA, and you want to change the length of that EMA to 3. You want to make sure the source is closed, and you want to change the method to EMA. So it should be 3, close, 0, EMA 5. And if you want to make your line a little thicker, like I usually prefer to do, you just want to come to the Style tab, click on the colored box, and then click the which line preference you prefer, and then click OK. Now for our second EMA, we're going to go in and do the same thing. We're going to change our inputs. This time the length is going to be 10. The source is still going to be closed. The offset is going to be 0. You want to change the method to EMA, and the length is going to be 5. So it'll be 10, close, 0, EMA 5. And then you also can go in and change the style. This time you can change the second line to whatever color you like. I typically choose purple, and I choose the second option for how thick I want my line to be. And then I'm going to click OK. So now that we have both lines in our chart, I'm going to show you guys how to use this very simple strategy. And anyone can do this, especially beginner. So this is called, we're going to call this the EMA crossover strategy. And the first thing I'll demonstrate for you guys is a buy example. And we can even zoom in here. Now, when you see that the blue line crosses above the purple line, this is our smaller EMA, our 3 EMA crossing over our 10 EMA. That's going to be your entry to buy. And then you can ride the trend all the way up until the purple line, which is the 10 EMA, crosses back above the blue line, which is our 3 EMA. So again, for a buy, once the blue EMA crosses above the purple EMA, that's going to be your entry signal to buy for a buy. And your exit signal for this buy will be once the purple line crosses above the blue line. So let's look at another example of a buy. And we can even put this in replay mode so that we can see. So we can see that the purple line is still above the blue line. It hasn't yet crossed. But as we move on, we can see that the blue line is about to cross over the purple line. We can see that the blue line has crossed above the purple line, and our buying trend has started. Now, when you're going for a buy, you always want to target previous highs for your take profit area. So we're just going to let this play out. Now that our blue has crossed above our purple, we can see that a previous high was hit, and then another previous high was hit as well, right? And this market continued to trend up until the purple line crosses back above the blue line, right? So that's our buy example. Now, of course, for selling, it's just going to be the opposite. So your entry signal for your sell will be when your purple line or your 10 EMA crosses above your 3 EMA. As you can see, this sell was consistent until your exit signal for your sell will be once the blue line crosses back above the purple line. And again, that's about 29 pips in 17 hours. You could change your time frame. Let's look at this on a smaller time frame, like the 15-minute, and let's look for another sell example. So here's a great example, and we're going to put it in replay mode. We can see even on the 15-minute chart, and you can zoom in if you need to see if the lines have crossed yet. So we don't really see them crossing yet. So let's go to the next candle. Okay, we officially see, even on the 15-minute, once the purple line crosses above the blue line, the selling trend has started. And let's just watch it and see how long is it going to sell, right? Because our exit signal for the sell is once the blue line has crossed back above the purple. So let's just see if this is valid. All right, not quite. They were close, but not quite. Right? And it's nice to use this strategy because it's simple. Okay, look at that. We see our blue has crossed above our purple. The market bought for a little bit, but then the purple crossed again, which is why we see that huge sell. So this is really all I wanted to show you guys today, which is how simple it can be to find your entry and exit points when it comes to trades, right? It doesn't have to be hard. As long as you know what entry and exit signals to look for, you'll have a better chance at being successful in your trades. So I really hope that this was helpful and that you guys will put this strategy to the test to see if it really works. And if it does, awesome. Let me know in the comments, or let me know your favorite indicator combinations to use to find profitable entry and exit points. But that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.